gusto nyo malaman kung paano mag-cash in using Hello PAG-IBIG, this video is for you. Once you open the Hello PAG-IBIG app, punta kayo sa profile. Then up here is your account number. Note that Hello PAG-IBIG is partnered with AUB or Asia United Bank Corporation. So kung magta-transfer kayo on your account, it should be to AUB. You'll see what I mean later. Okay? So take note of yung account number na yan, or dito sa upper right, click InstaPay My QR in order to generate a QR code. Yan. Pwede nyo ilagay yung amount dito or input nyo na lang mamaya. So let's just save the QR, and then ang method na gagamitin ko to pay is BPI. On the BPI dashboard, punta kayo dito sa Move Money. And then click Transfer Money. Transfer to another bank or e-wallet. Transfer from, piliin nyo what account you want to transfer your money from. And then transfer to, on my case, QR code ang gagamitin ko. So let's just click this. Upload our QR code. And then you'll see here na, ayan, ang bank na pinatransferan natin is AUB. So, kung mano-mano mo gagawin without the QR code, yung AUB account number mo from Hello PAG-IBIG and your account number ang ilalagay nyo dito. Input the transfer amount. Click Continue. And there you go, transfer successful. PAG-IBIG does not charge any fee, but then yung bank or yung e-wallet nyo may charge a fee. On my case, for BPI, wala akong convenience fee because I am a preferred client. But usually, BPI charges a 25 peso convenience fee. Now, punta tayo sa Hello PAG-IBIG, refresh, and agad-agad nyo makikita yung newly cash-in fund nyo. Now, kung via GCash naman, go to transfer, then pick local. Either mag-scan or upload tayo ng QR, or mano-mano natin gagawin. So, let's look for AUB. Ang pangalan niya dito is Asia United Bank Corporation. So, ayan siya. And then, input the account name and account number here. Then, click Send Money. Kapag dito naman sa GCash kayo magta-transfer, there is a convenience fee of 15 pesos. In the next video, I'll show you how to pay your PAG-IBIG loans using Hello PAG-IBIG. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos here. Thank you guys. Bye!